because of, I would say, Goa is one of the most attractive location. That too, after this COVID thing, it has become a hot potato for people those who are outside, because they know that like this is the place where air is clean. But when air is clean, so there is a duty for everyone to ensure that it remains clean, the water remains clean. And sir, as far as water bodies are concerned, in environment department we are making conscious effort to lead all the departments to ensure that our water bodies become better. Dr. Pradeep, he is member secretary of Goa State Wetland Authority. So already 6 we had notified yesterday. Also, I think you have said some file. I think how many?
There's one more, sir, is coming.
So sir, 6-7 water wetlands already we have notified. Lot many are under the process, and then Goa State Wetland Authority together with BMCs. BMCs are our vehicle of change as far as environment department is concerned. So then through BMCs we are reclaiming the water bodies, like traditional tanks. Lot of tanks are there, small, big, temple tanks, society tanks. So there Shram Shakti se Jal Shakti.
Jal Samruddhi.
Shram Shakti se Jal Samriddhi. So this initiative we had taken, and few villages have done remarkable work in rejuvenating the ponds with the minimal effort. It is no contractors involved, only BMC with some minimal support from the wetland authority and also from the panchayat through Narega. But then unique convergence efforts have been made to reclaim the water body, to rejuvenate them. And from the river rejuvenation committee, of which I am the chairperson, we are targeting, sir, we don't have any, as you know, sir, NGT has classified into 5 categories. Earlier, sir, one river was in category 3 and balance were in the category 5. The category 3 is also now slowly shifting to category 4. The lower the category means better the river. Category 1 is worst, category 2 is slightly better, category 3 is much better, category 5 is almost good. So now our focus, and in fact BMCs have to play a major role now in the fecal coliform in the water, rivers. This is now one area which we are now targeting. In the last review meeting almost 1 month back, we noticed this thing, and then PWD is creating a good network of sewage treatment plants, but issue is of that acceptance by people through pipeline network. That's the issue we are facing. So that, sir, we are going to target, and also through pollution control board we are going to target the nitrile tankers. Suppose if are they culprating, throwing it just in the river. So that way society as a whole in the leadership of BMCs, we have to now target these kind of to reduce fecal coliform in nothing but the toilets coming in river water bodies. So that we have to bring it to the acceptable limit. That is one. Second, sir, we are now making serious from environment department and all the bodies making conscious effort to reduce the usage of single-use plastic. Already, sir, Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has taken a decision through Biodiversity Board and through Pollution Control Board. We are going to have a conscious effort in reducing the single-use plastic use in the coastal area and in general area. And we are going to use our own penalty service. Lot of funds we have collected. So that fund we are returning back to the society. So these are the, in a nutshell, we are trying through.
कितना सुख मिला जब मैंने वो पानी पिया. यू कांट इमेजिन. तुम भी पीते तो तुम्हें अंदाज होता. हमारे घर में जो पानी होता है वो कितना भी प्योर, बहुत ट्रीट करके सब जाता है, पर उस पानी के अंदर ये टेस्ट नहीं आएगा. और एक अंदर आपके मन, मस्तिष्क और हृदय को जो एक सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है कि यार नेचर में से जो आ रहा है वो मेरे शरीर के अंदर जा रहा है. मेरे शरीर के अंदर कोई पॉल्यूशन नहीं जा रहा है. मुझे पता है, आई हैव कॉन्फिडेंस कि जो नेचर में से आ रहा है वो सीधा जा रहा है. ये नहीं पढ़ाया जाता. हमारी एनवायरमेंट साइंस में हमें वो टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ाई जाती है, वो इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ाई जाती है, वो साइंस पढ़ाई जाती है, वो साइंस जो विदाउट सेंस है, वो साइंस जो कैलकुलेशन और इक्वेशंस पर जरा सा ट्विस्ट करके इक्वेशन बना देती है. उस साइंस पे क्या भरोसा करेंगे हम? वो साइंस किस भरोसे की है? हम भरोसा कर सकते हैं उस साइंस पर जिस साइंस से हमें ऐसा पानी मिलता हो ऐसी हवा मिलती हो कि जिसमें हमें थकान नहीं हो रही हो। खड़े हैं ना इतनी देर से, थकान हुई है भी आपको? कहीं पॉल्यूशन जहाँ धुआं निकल रहा होता किसी इंडस्ट्री के पास आप इतनी देर खड़े नहीं हो सकते। तो हमारी पढ़ाई को, मैं कहना क्या चाहता हूँ, मेरी हिंदी समझ में आ रही है ना आपको? मैं कहना ये चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हमारी मॉडर्न एजुकेशन है, इसने हमारे लिए डिजास्टर क्रिएट किया है। और वो डिजास्टर कैसे क्रिएट किया? उसने हमें जो टेक्नोलॉजी और इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ाई है, वो नेचर से मैक्सिमम यूज करने के लिए कैसे हम एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकते हैं। ऑल इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ओनली फॉर द एक्सप्लॉइटेशन। वो जो मैकाले नाम का एक आदमी था, वो इस देश का नहीं था, अंग्रेजों का था। उसने एक पहले रिसर्च कराई थी कि भारत की जो शिक्षा पद्धति है वो क्या सिखाती है, क्या पढ़ाती है। वो रिपोर्ट, 2 रिपोर्ट्स हैं, एक एडवर्ड की है और एक और नाम है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा अंग्रेज का। तमिलनाडु की रिपोर्ट में लिखा है कि इनके गांव में एक वर्शिप प्लेस होता है। यहाँ की जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी काउंसिल है, उसने रियली कुछ ऐसा काम किया कि हम सब का मन हुआ कि हम आके देखें। नहीं तो कौन जाता है, कहाँ जाता है, किसको दुनिया में टाइम है। तो हम सब यहाँ की ग्राम सभा को, यहाँ की ग्राम पंचायत को और खासकर बायोडाइवर्सिटी काउंसिल को, ये जो काउंसिल है, इन्होंने अच्छे काम किए, इसलिए मेरा भी मन हुआ कि मैं यहाँ आके देखूं। इसके बाद मैं गोवा के एनवायरनमेंट मिनिस्ट्री के सेक्रेटरी श्री कुणाल जी को भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूँ कि उनके पास, उनके डिपार्टमेंट में ये एक बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है कि यहाँ की ग्राम सभाएं ये रियलाइज कर रहे हैं कि यदि उनको अपना कॉमन फ्यूचर सुरक्षित रखना है, अच्छा रखना है, अपनी हेल्थ को ठीक रखना है, तो फिर ये जो एटमॉस्फेयर की हेल्थ है, ये जो इन्वायरमेंट है, इसको हेल्दी रखना होगा। जब तक इन्वायरमेंट हेल्दी नहीं होगा तब तक हम हेल्दी नहीं रह सकते। इसलिए जब मुझे कल प्रदीप मिले तो मैं इंजीनियरों के साथ बात कर रहा था, यहाँ के चीफ इंजीनियर, सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग, ये जो हमारी बायोडाइवर्सिटी बोर्ड है, वो सब गांव में कोशिश कर रहा है कि एक्टिव काउंसिल बन के अपने जो नेचुरल रिसोर्स है, उन नेचुरल रिसोर्स की जो डाइवर्सिटी है, उस डाइवर्सिटी का रेस्पेक्टफुली कंजर्वेशन और प्रोटेक्शन करें। तो मैंने इनसे पूछा क्या करते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा हम रजिस्टर बनाते हैं और रजिस्टर बना के कोशिश करते हैं कि वो लोगों के ध्यान में आए। ये केवल इमोशनल अवेयरनेशनल काम नहीं है, ये रियल फंक्शनल है कि हम यदि अपने कॉमन फ्यूचर को बेहतर बना के रखना चाहते हैं तो फिर ये जंगल, ये पहाड़ियाँ और ये जो वाटर सोर्स है, ये जो हमारा वाटर रिसोर्स है, इसकी हेल्थ को ठीक रखने की ज़रूरत है।
Hello, I'm Gamlin Fernandez. I'm a ward member of the Pumbarpa Olali. I'm a ward member of Pumbarpa Panchayat and also a committee member of the Pumbarpa Olali Biodiversity Management Committee. Today we have had a function here where Shri Ramchandra Singh, he is known as the waterman of India, and he has come down to Goa from North India, from Rajasthan actually, and he's in Goa for last 2 days. He was brought here today by Dr. Pradeep Sarmokadam because he wanted to see how the PBR has been presented. Now, the PBR is the People's Biodiversity Register. We in Pumbarpa have prepared a People's Biodiversity Register. We got it validated, and it's also been checked by 2 people who had come from Delhi. So he wanted to see how the register has been prepared, and he was brought here. Today we have had an interaction with him and with Shri Kunal also was there, and there was a good talk here. Now here what has actually happened, we have also told him today that the Pumbarpa Biodiversity Management Committee has passed 3 resolutions, just 3 days back or 4 days back. One resolution is that this Pumbarpa spring has to be declared as a heritage site. The second resolution was that no tube wells, no bore wells will be allowed to be constructed in Pumbarpa village premises. And the third resolution was that this spring, which is now with the Goa Tourism Management Corporation, should be returned back to the village panchayat, who will be in a better position to look after it. Now, these resolutions, after passing it from the Biodiversity Committee, will now go to the Gram Sabha on 21st, where they will be passed and adopted, go back to the Panchayat Committee for rectification, and it will become a law in the village. The water is good for eye problems, for skin problems, and people have been coming over the years to look into that water. Now, what has happened here? The Goa Biodiversity Board, Dr. Pradeep Sarmo Kadam, has agreed that they are going to send people from the Goa University and scientists to check the chemical contents of the water. And the process will be that throughout the full year, every month, they will be coming, taking water samples, checking what are the contents in the water, what is the concentration level, what are the pathogens, what are the other compounds in the water. They also will be sending drones, they said, to check where the water is coming, the source of the water. And after all that has been done, it will give us a better understanding of our water. And we'll be able to even advise the people who come here what are the benefits of this water system here. Thank you.
सिल्वा आणि हांव सेक्रेटरी बायोडायवर्सिटी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीचो आसलो जेन्ना हांव गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आसलो तेन्ना हालीं हांव मायाकूच रिटायर जाला तेन्ना म्हजी ती सेक्रेटरीचो जो पोस्ट आसलो तो म्हाका तो परत पंचायत सेक्रेटरी कडेन हँडओवर करचो पडलो तर तरी आसतना हांव म्हगेलो गांव म्हणून हांव अजुनूय म्हजें कार्य कितें आसा तें फुडेंच व्हरता नेटान व्हरोंक सोदता आमी आनी चड करून आमकां आसा ती आमगेलो एक मेन हेतू आसा तो एक झर वांटोवपाक आनी जर आमी बायोडायवर्सिटी हेरिटेज सायट करपाक सोदता कित्याक हे झरीचेर अवलंबून आमचें खुबशें हांगासरलें वातावरण आसा खुबशें आमचें झाडां मळां आमगेली अवलंबून आसा हांगासर कुळागर आसा परत लोक हांगा बाटल्यो भरून उदक पिवपाक व्हरता आनी रांदपाक व्हरता मायाच्या म्हयन्यान एप्रिलाच्या म्हयन्याक भुरग्यांक सुटी पडली म्हणटच हांगासर गर्दी आसा की न्हांवपाक येता लोक कित्याक हांगासर मेडिसिनल वॅल्यू आसा ह्या उदकाक आनी खुबशे रोग हेतून कातीचे स्कीन रिलेटेड रोग खुबशे ह्या उदकान न्हाल्या म्हणटकीर ते बरे जाता जेन्ना उदक आमी रांदपाक वापरता हें तेन्ना तें जेवण सुद्दां टेस्टी जाता म्हणून अशें आमचे लोक ह्या गांवचे सांगतात तर आमी बायोडायवर्सिटी हेरिटेज सायट करपाक आमी एक अजेंडा टायप केल्लो आसा ना ऑब्जेक्टीव आमचे कशें आसा ते स्टडी ऑफ फिजिको केमिकल पॅरामिटर्स ऑफ पोमोरपा स्प्रिंग वॉटर परत आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ मायक्रो न्यूट्रियंट्स ऑफ पोमोरपा स्प्रिंग वॉटर आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ मायक्रो न्यूट्रियंट्स ऑफ पोमोरपा स्प्रिंग वॉटर microbiological analysis of this water, then identification of pollutants if there are any. I don't think there are any pollutants because people are just carrying this water and drinking. They say the tap water is not as safe as this water. All the villagers from the surrounding areas, whoever find it convenient, you will find in the morning they come and take loads of water in jars for drinking and cooking because they feel this is much safer than the tap water that comes. So even though we want to still check for pollutants, it could be microbiological pollutants or some other kind of pollutants, then we also will try to identify. We already done it, but more intensively we want to do to identify the biodiversity and flora and fauna in and around the spring. Area identification using GPS and GIS, then geotagging for plants in the area, then types of underlying lithology of the Pomorpa spring we are going to do, study on that, simulation for waterlogging, geographical analysis of Pomorpa spring and survey of the population which is dependent on this particular spring. So we are going to carry out these UTV objectives of us with the help of faculty from the Goa University and with the help of the Goa State Biodiversity Board. We have the Panchayat has already taken a decision to declare this as a biodiversity heritage site. Thank you.
We feel proud that he made it today for us at a very short notice. He came yesterday. he will be leaving tonight. He has a program in the evening, but within a very short time, he accepted our invite to come because he wanted to see one PBR in Goa, and time was very less. So we said in short time he cannot go far. So this was the nearest place, and we thank Biodiversity Committee, local Sarpanch, local BMC chairperson, and all of you because in such a short time you accepted. I have some important people also who have joined us. One is Dr. Dattaram Desai sir, who can stand there, who is who has made a Jalayatri group in Goa, and they are cleaning many water bodies in Goa. Then we have Santano, J. Santano, who is chairman of BMC of Kurtorim. We have chairman of Bandoda, Shri Advocate Suresh Kalbe is here. Then any other BMC chairperson? Sir, he is a chairperson of Vere Vagurme BMC, and he is doctor by profession. That is very important. And in spite of that, they have a great team. पांडलोट संघ जो कल हम बात कर रहे थे, उसका काम उन्होंने बहुत किया है गोवा में, और आपके आने से मुझे लगता है इतनी प्रेरणा सबको मिलेगी। तो हम और कुछ नहीं बात करेंगे, हम आपको सुनना चाहेंगे। बिफोर दैट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कुणाल सर, सिंस